The Precision IQ application has the ability to import John Deere run lines directly from a USB stick from the John Deere display itself. To use this feature, you will need to ensure that you have an advanced guidance line license installed within the display. Without the advanced guideline management, you can still import John Deere run lines using the desktop software. However, the line projection that the Precision IQ will generate will not match that of the line generation created within the John Deere system. Because the two systems generate their guidance lines differently, without the license you will notice a slight deviation in the vehicle's positioning as you travel along the guidance line. This is due to the John Deere system following the curvature of the earth, or known as true north, whereas the Precision IQ generates based on a flat earth known as magnetic north. With the advanced guidance line license installed, not only will you be able to read the John Deere RCD folder directly from a USB, you will also have the ability to follow the guidance line in the same format that the John Deere would. This removes any slight deviation you would see between the two systems, allowing for higher precision accuracy for applications such as row crop. With the RDC folder on the root directory of a USB stick, insert into the side of the XCN display and use the data transfer button. If no fields exist on this display in which you are importing the guidance lines for, you can use the transfer option. Check the OEM folder to import all fields, or open the folder and select the individual fields. Then press copy. If the fields already exist on the XCN display that you wish to import the guidance lines for, use the merge option. With the field selected you wish to merge, press merge. Your fields copied from the RDC folder should now be stored in the internal memory of the XCN display and available to select from the field tile. You will notice a warning symbol associated with these new fields. This is an indication that the field has an uncalibrated guidance line. Uncalibrated guidance lines are guidance lines imported from a John Deere system that have not yet been referenced to the new reference point used in the Precision IQ display for its GNSS corrections. Although the line generation will now follow that of the John Deere system, for these guidance lines we need to allow for difference in the initial position created. This difference in position is due to the John Deere system using its own correction source, which could be different to that of the Trimble system you are using. To calibrate, position your vehicle on the original swath created in the John Deere system, then press Remark Here button. This will automatically determine the difference between the original location of the reference point to the new reference point you're using within Precision IQ. This distance will be displayed and indicated whether it is left or right of the original guidance line. Pressing the Apply button will apply this offset to the current guidance line for future reference. This guidance line is now considered calibrated. Repeat this process for any other guidance lines you have imported for this field. You can reset the calibration and start again at any time by selecting the Calibrate option and the appropriate guidance line, then pressing Reset. This will only reset the guidance line that is currently selected. The Field Overview tab in the Field Manager will provide you an indication of how many lines are still uncalibrated for this field.